Panguva inoyi aiwa pari kupisa, aiwa kumusoro uko hakuna kumira zvakanaka. Vanhu vanombofamba vachitaura vachiti apa mihwe unotyohwa vainyasoziva vachinyasoziva ma consequences azvo. Ndisanamira mashoko anokuti aiwa Chiwenga taking it on ED. Don't forget subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timira pana pa BBC mudanyira achiti the statement by war veterans is very clear. They are no longer talking about to defend the constitution from 2030 pushers, but they have found the entry point to start the process of total removal of Mnangagwa from power by allowing criminals around him to push the 2030 agenda. ED has shot himself on the foot. Those who understand how to remove authoritarian regime from power can tell that ED is gone. On their statement, war veterans warned the new police commissioner Mnangagwa to stop using the police to fight people who are exercising their constitutional rights. This was in response to the police threat to Nelson Chamisa's supporters who were protesting against 2030. Some were arrested and then released after the interference of big boys. Judiciary also warned to stop what they did to people like Sikala, Namatai, Garifume, Chibai, and others. All these warnings are not coming from war veterans, but from powerful people. War veterans also complained about the shutting down of big companies like OK, Bullets, and others that have been operating in Zimbabwe since 1960s. Those who understand how to remove authoritarian regime know that these companies will finance the removal of Mnangagwa, who wants them to use the Zimbabwe. Yet he wants people of Zimbabwe to pay US dollars when buying fuel at his fuel station. Some few days ago, BBC Zimbabwe reported about ZANU-PF deputy chair of Milles province, Matutu, who was forced to deactivate his account after he wrote what he dreamed about. If you connect the dots, you can see that the fight has begun. Thomas Komdanyuka pana wakumana BBC aiwa vachinyaso kuona kuti aiwa kune vanhu vachinyaso kuziva zvekurimuvwa kwethe authoritarian regime panapa pakuru pabaya. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi nemashoko anodanyuka pana wakumana BBC. Pena comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.